Got some questions recently from somebody about running solid wire MIG uphill. They were using 035 solid wire, welding uphill, and I got 035 solid wire in the ARCCAPTAIN MIG250, and I get questions about vertical up welding quite a bit. And I just thought, well, I'll take a couple minutes and I'll do a quick video on it. So I'm going to set this up for sort of a short circuit MIG at 19 volts and 150 inches a minute wire speed. The photos that I got from the fella that was messaging me, it looked to me like he had a piece of angle iron in a vise with a piece of flat bar up against it. So I'm going to simulate that, and that's what we'll do some vertical welding with the solid wire. And I just want to talk about it because it's something that people ask me quite a bit because they have that issue with it getting too hot and running on them. And if you pay attention to the very first thing that you need to do, you need to get left and get right and build yourself a bridge. Now, when I say building a bridge, when I'm talking about running vertical, in the beginning, you're going to go left and right pretty fast, and you're not going to move the entire gun levelly left and levelly right. You're going to point it to the left and point it to the right. That'll keep you from undercutting those edges. You build yourself a bridge. Well, see, when you go to the left, the part to the right is cooling down. When you go to the right, the part to the left is cooling down. And once you've went to the left and went to the right and built you a bridge, then it's not going to run on you because your molten metal is going to fall down on the cooler metal that you've ran before. Use that as a concept for your vertical welding, and good luck. Y'all learn to work with what you got. That way you always have everything you need. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, CB here, the No BS welder here at NBS Welding. I'm wanting to let y'all know we got t-shirts for sales. If you'd like to support the NBS Welding YouTube channel, send Tina an email at nbswelding@aol.com. Go to the NBS Welding YouTube channel, check out the content, and in all new video descriptions, there's links to our Amazon storefront and our affiliates, so you can check out the products that I use and endorse.